everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we're opening some Happy Mail. I've already cut this on top, and we've got the tape cut on the sides. So we're fixing to open this and look and see what we have. This is from Miss Tiff Gannon, and I wanted to open this on video. Oh my goodness. Look at here, y'all. So she knew that I was looking for some of the wreath frames from Dollar Tree. Look at here. It's the carrot frames. Yay! We're gonna get to make something so pretty with those. And look, y'all, our Dollar Tree does not have this. Look. Isn't that cute? Look at this. I love it. I love it. And look at the polka dots. Y'all, that's going to be so cute for our bee frames. Oh, my goodness. Y'all, she put me some happies in here. I'm sure she made these, y'all. These are so pretty. Thank you, Miss Tiff. Oh my goodness. Y'all look, she made these. And this one stands up. How amazing. So this is a nice surprise. I love it, my Happy Meal. And look, so she made this. It's two layers of the Jenga blocks that it's standing on, and then it's 4 layers thick. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? I love it, Miss Tiff. I love it. And look at this one. This is 1 layer thick, but it hangs. We could even put a magnet on the back and put it on the refrigerator. How beautiful are these? I love that they're whitewashed. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Miss Tiff. I absolutely love them. So I was thinking, you know, I got another cross from my friend in Happy Mail, and I was thinking, we need one that sits up on a table. This is perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it, love it, love it. This is the best gifts, the gifts that are homemade, made with love. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. To all my sweet friends, I love y'all. Thank y'all for being here. Thank you for being part of Rachel's Unique Crafts. This is truly Happy Mail. It's my heart.